Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb turn in and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb turn in is to tell the police about someone or take them to the police because they have committed a crime. He is very annoyed that he was caught for his crimes. I can't believe that my own family turned me in. She felt so guilty for what she did. I just couldn't live with myself. I knew I had to turn myself in. Meaning two of the phrasal verb turn in is to give or submit something officially to a person in charge. The manager has news for senior management. I've decided to turn in my resignation as I am moving to a higher paying job. The politician was caught committing fraud. Due to recent events, I think it's best that I turn in my resignation and leave my post. Meaning three of the phrasal verb turn in is to produce a particular amount or degree of something. The team won yet another game. The league leaders turned in a great performance to keep their title bid on track. The employee is worried about their performance review. I haven't even turned in Monday's work yet. Meaning four of turn in is to give back something you no longer need. After he resigned from his role, upper management explained, "We're going to need you to turn in your pass before you leave." His car license got renewed. I had to turn in my expired license when I got the new one. Meaning five of the phrasal verb turn in is to go to bed, usually heard in an old-fashioned manner. The woman decides to go to bed. It's getting late. I think I'll turn in for the evening. He didn't go to the bar with his friends because he's too tired. I'm glad I didn't go anywhere. Now I can turn in early and get some rest. So let's look back on what we covered. Turn in can mean to tell the police about someone or take them to the police because they have committed a crime. He turned his wife in when he found out everything she did. To give or submit something officially to a person in charge. They turned the petition in to the government. To produce a particular amount or degree of something. I turned in a match-winning performance in the tennis game. To give back something you no longer need. They turned the loyalty cards in before they moved to a different state. To go to bed. I can't wait to finish work. I'll turn in early tonight. Where did you hear the phrasal verb turn in? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.